Peace Mantra Routine. Welcome to our Peace Mantra Routine. In today's meditation, we're going to use a mantra to cultivate inner peace. We'll immerse ourselves in the power of a peaceful mantra to bring tranquility to our minds. Remember to wear comfortable, loose clothing that allows you to sit or move easily. Find a quiet space. Sit comfortably and take a moment to immerse yourself in the silence. Let's close our eyes and begin this journey together. Choose a peaceful word or phrase, like peace or serenity. With each breath, gently repeat this mantra in your mind, allowing it to resonate within you. Continue repeating the mantra and feel the calm it brings. Gently open your eyes. When you open your eyes, take all this positive energy with you. Thank you for being part of our Peace Mantra routine. Until next time, may your journey be filled with calm and peace. And remember, breathe deeply and find inner peace.